Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials: device Esim support, unlocked status, and Android version. Once done, open Nomad activation email or app and locate the QR or code. This is the key. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi so the profile downloads reliably. Now go to Settings, search for SIM or Network, and choose Add Esim. You're starting the provisioning step. Why? Because Android must fetch the carrier profile before it can register on cellular networks. Once the ad flow opens, scan Nomad's QR code or paste the activation string. This tells your phone where to download the profile. You'll see the profile listed, select Install. Make a choice. Set Nomad as secondary for travel use or primary if you want it to handle calls and data. This affects billing and call routing. Then confirm APN and network type settings. Why? Because correct APN ensures data and MMS work, and network mode determines speed and coverage. You finish by rebooting the phone, then enable the Nomad Esim profile and check signal bars and mobile data. Make a test load, web page, or speed test to confirm connectivity. If things go wrong, first toggle airplane mode, reselect the Esim, and verify APN fields. These quick steps often resolve registration issues. If the profile won't activate, gather IMSI or ICSID from settings and contact Nomad support. They can trigger provisioning or issue a replacement code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.